Today, we're introducing VideoProc Converter AI, the all-in-one solution for enhancing your videos and images. It uses powerful AI to upscale low-resolution files, but that's not all. With just one click, it can reduce background noise from your audio, detecting and removing all types of noise easily using AI. From super resolution and frame interpolation to stabilization and full image editing, this tool does it all. So, let's dive in and see what it can do. First of all, download VideoProc Converter AI for free using the link given in the description. Open VideoProc Converter AI after installation. Now, choose Image AI. Add your low-resolution image. Here you can upscale 3 times, 4 times easily just with a click. This is the result. Next, click on Add Image. Add your face image. You can see the result is not optimal, so click on Face Restoration. Select high-quality faces, then choose Precise Recognition AI. In this way, you can scale up faces easily using AI. Next, add your black and white image. Uncheck Face Restoration. Now, choose Coloring Monochrome Image. VideoProc AI automatically colors your images using AI. You can also choose Deep Color. This gives you different coloring formats. We'll go for Hype Color. Let's try with a complex picture. Here is the result. You can see how VideoProc Converter colors our complex photo precisely using their powerful AI in minutes. Now, click on Run to download all your converted images. You can see how VideoProc easily enhances our images using AI. Return to VideoProc menu again. Click on Super Resolution. Now, click on this arrow and add your video file. Here you can easily scale your video. Choose Resolution. Click here and choose 4K. You can choose different formats from here. Also quality levels. We keep GOP 30. Now click on this Run button to get your video in 4K resolution. This is the downloaded video file. Return to menu. Now choose Frame Interpolation. Add the downloaded video. You can multiply your frame rate here. We'll choose 2 times to get a 60 frames per second video. Just click on Run to get your video. After downloading, clear this video. Click on Add Video. Open VideoProc folder. Add new 60 frames per second video. Now, we'll try slow motion. Here you can adjust motion speed. You can also adjust sensitivity to get the ideal result. We'll keep it at 50. Now, click on Run to download the video. The file is done. Let's check it out. Open VideoProc Converter and choose Audio AI. Click on Arrow and add your noisy audio. Let's listen to our sound.
You're listening to the Rode NTG3 shotgun cardioid microphone. It has the same specs as the Sennheiser MKH416 in terms of frequency range, self-noise, output impedance, and maximum sound pressure level.
There is too much noise in this audio. Now, select Keep Vocal. Then check Noise Suppression and Done. Here, you get noise-free sound in a second.
You're listening to the Rode NTG3 shotgun cardioid microphone. It has the same specs as the Sennheiser MKH416 in terms of frequency range, self-noise, output impedance, and maximum sound pressure level.
Click on Run to download your audio. In this way, you can easily enhance and convert your files using all the powerful AI tools in VideoProc Converter AI. Moreover, you can get a special discount by using the link in the description. You can purchase a lifetime license with a one-time payment, along with free lifetime upgrades. You can also buy licenses for multiple PCs to get an even bigger discount. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without any worries and start editing your files with AI right away. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.